Oh, hi everyone. Welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. It is lunchtime, so I'm going to cook food for my husband and food for his work. So double purpose. So here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations, very easy type of cooking. And then simply love to share our simple lunch for today. So I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. So first of all, I am preheating my wok or my cooking pot, and then we will fry bulad or dried fish. Now this type of dried fish, it's not really very salty. That's why I like this one. So I'm using extra virgin olive oil to fry our dried fish, and I will be adding oil in order to saute our dish. So same oil I'll be using, but I will just be okay. Actually, this is good enough. Okay, there you go. So, what are the very basic ingredients that we have? Now, first of all, I would like to fry our bulad or our dried fish, and that will be paired with suka or sukang maanghang. Okay, it's not really that very hot, but this is good to go. Okay. So whatever dried fish, even if it's not dried fish, even if the regular fish that we normally have, then you can always fry it. Remember, friends, cooking and baking, they'll always make fun and easy here at our little kitchen. It also gives you the ideas on what to prepare for your family's next meal. Okay, there you go. So you can find dried fish or bulad from any of your favorite superstores or Asian stores or even at the palengke. And it's very, you can afford this. Very. But here in Canada, particularly, because this is exported or imported from the Philippines. So that means to say meron po siyang kamahalan. So this is a little bit pricey in comparison if you're going to buy dry fish in the Philippines where we have abundance because Philippines is an island and there's a lot of different varieties of fresh fish and people in who lives near the ocean or the sea, they will just cook. They will just try to make dried fish. Ila lang nang ibutang, no? Pinapatuyo lang po nila sa araw. So they will just sun dry it. And then once it's exported, it's a little bit pricey. But of course, we can still afford, It's not really that bad. Okay, there you go. So just let it drip, or you can add a paper towel. I have paper towel actually, but I will just try to fry this one. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now, friends, I'm going to take out some oil because it's a little bit more. It's a little bit oil that I added, so I will just take out some oil and I am going I will just let Alexa stop because I put my timer. Alexa, stop. So that's my timer, Alexa. Okay, there you go. So kakaltasan ko lang po ng oil. I have to take out some oil, maybe 3 tablespoons. Okay. But of course, this oil is flavorful already. Okay, there you go. What are the very basic ingredients that we have, friends? Okay, I have here tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and red cooking onion. I will just add this all together wonderfully. So, by the way, friends, not necessarily that you will be using extra virgin olive oil because to some of you, to some places or to some countries, extra virgin olive oil can be a little bit pricey. So We'll just saute that. Sauteing doesn't really take that long, friends. Okay, now, once this one is wilted or infused all together, lovely. Okay, I'm going to add tanglad or lemongrass, but this can be very, very optional. Now here, normally lemongrass, they bind it two stalks, okay? So I cut this lower portion here, this hard part, and so these are the ones. So I don't add this into my dish. And so take it out, and this part here I cut into halves, which is this one, and this is the green part. So in the Philippines, we have so much in abundance of tanglad that we can just pluck it out or pick it or whatever, take it out from our backyard, right, friends? So that is very, very optional. What I did, I cut it into halves and then I pounded it using my rolling pin. But remember, that can be very optional. So why I pounded it? So that the aroma or the oil essentials from the tanglad will be infused all together wonderfully. So for my savoring enhancer, I will just be adding salt. Adding salt and pepper, it depends upon your taste buds, friends. And then I'm going to add garlic powder. Even if I added fresh cloves of garlic, I still like to add a little bit of garlic powder. So stay lang po siya, no? And then black pepper. Now, adding salt and black pepper, it depends upon your taste buds, friends. Okay, there you go. So, sorry. After which, I have this seitan. So this is gluten. I made this from the very scratch. We're cooking actually vegetarian dish. And this is made of whole wheat flour. And let me know if you wanted how to make this. This is very easy. So this is half a kilo. And you can see black seeds. That is the peppercorns or paminta. And I also added some. This one is bay leaf. Here you go. Okay. So that one is savored already. You don't really need to add so much salt or savory enhancer because it is savorful already. So I will just add a little bit, maybe half a cup of water. So I will just clear that one. And that's clean actually, right? Okay, there you go. So I'm going to add this into our gluten. Look at the tanglad or the lemongrass, friends. But if you have the access to fresh lemongrass, well, that's pretty good. It's well and good. Okay. So we will just cook that maybe for 1 minute. Bring it to a boil. Or you can simmer it. Now, I used medium flame. So it depends upon how much flame you want to have. Okay. So for our fried dried fish, we will just be dipping that into sukang maasim or coconut vinegar. To those of you who are not very familiar with coconut vinegar, this is what I use. This is a product from the Philippines, Dato Puti. It's a very long time product, and they're doing very great in the products actually. And you know, I'm glad that even if I'm very far from the Philippines, but I still can have those type of items, like for cooking, of course. Okay, there you go. So after which, my lovely friends, I have here, I use 1 cup of shredded carrots, and then this is bok choy. So I wash this thoroughly in cold water, and then I just try to slice it into halves. And this is the green leafy parts of the bok choy. And then I will just add this all together wonderfully. You can use pechay. This is the family of pechay, or the napa cabbage, or the green cabbage, or even spinach, friends. The choice is always yours. Okay, there you go. So 1 minute lang po, because I want my bok choy, the stem part, to be a little bit crunchy, not very mushy. I want something to masticate on, para naman meron tayong nguya-nguyain, di ba, friends? Okay, set this for 1 minute only while I'm doing some tidying up. Okay, hooray, hooray! Okay, there you go. The aroma of our dish is very great. Ang bango-bango po. Now, you can always substitute that with whatever veggies you have. Now, look at the tanglad or the lemongrass. Okay, so the last but not the least is our green leafy veg. So, we will mix it slowly but surely. Okay. And then, I'll have to turn off my flame. Voila. And the rest of the heat will surely continue on the cooking process. So, yun lang. Napakadali po. I don't want my greens na very overly cooked siya. So, this is very great, wonderful friends. Our vegetarian dish. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, wonderful friends, for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time, no? Gagawa naman po ako palagi everyday, tapos video just for fun and sharing lang naman, mga kaibigan. Okay, daghan kayong salamat. Maniud ko nami. I hope you have fun. Okay, there you go, friends. This is your home cook buddy La Arnie saying you daghan kayong salamat. Maraming salamat po. Muchas gracias, mi amigas, mi amigos. And till the next time.